I'm pleased with the first meet. You never know what you're going to get after Christmas break, but most of the kids seem to be ready, and I think on the balance we're going to feel good about today. Scotty Schoen did a great job today in the mile. Really proud of where she is, and she's expected to have a really fun and exciting senior year. Ethan is, as expected, he's going to be a big star for us this indoor season. He had a big PR in the hurdles earlier in the day, and then he did a nice job in the long jump. And we pulled him out of a couple other events just because we want to make sure that he's fresh going forward. But he's the real deal. He's going to be very good. Kelsey and Sydney looked fantastic today in the throws. They both were either setting PRs or right at their PRs, so we're excited about where they are and probably where they're going. Corey looked good today, and he's been looking great all fall, so we have big expectations for him throughout this indoor season, and he got a good start to things. The indoor 400 hurdles is something that I expect to run in all of our home meets that aren't conference events. We're going to run it in 2 weeks at the Jack Jennett Invite, and we're also going to run it at the Dickinson Relays this year for the high schoolers. So I think it's a fun event, and I think it's fun for the 400 hurdles to get to do something indoors. I was a little nervous, but we had tested it out, and I had done my research. I knew that it was going to be a fun and pretty safe event, as crazy as it sounds. So I was pleased with how it came off. Both the men and the women did a very nice job. The Panthers in particular, I thought looked very strong, and I know it was fun for them, and hopefully fun for everybody to see it. New Mexico did it last year, and it was successful, and we wanted to introduce it here in the Unidome, and I thought it was equally successful. Anybody with a 200-meter track, I would encourage to do this because it really is fun, and for your 400 hurdlers, indoor season's always kind of a mixed bag for them because it's not their specialty, so they either do the 2 or the 4, but this is something that they can look forward to and really enjoy. We expect to have a very good season this year, both the men and the women. Men look strong, and we're pretty deep where we haven't been in the past, and the women are better than we've been in the past, and we're continuing to build toward a championship program.